Hi friends, I am Dino. I am here to share a few words about gravitation. Let's go in. Universal law of gravitation. In 1686, Newton stated that in universe, each particle of matter attracts every other particle. This universal attractive force is called gravitation. The force of attraction between any two material is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the particle and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It acts along the line joining the two particles. Suppose two particles of mass m1 and m2 are situated at the distance r apart. If the force of attraction acting between them is F, then according to Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to G into m1 into m2, the whole divided by r square. The constant of proportionality G is called gravitational constant. Its value is same for all pair of particle in the universe. Hence, G is known as universal constant. Gravitational constant. The Newton's law of gravitation is F is equal to G into m1 into m2, the whole divided by r square, where F stands for the force, G stands for the gravitational constant, m1 and m2 stands for the masses of the object, and r is the distance between the center of the object. The gravitational constant G is a small quantity and its measurement needs very sensitive arrangement. The gravitational constant G is numerically equal to the force with which two particles, each of unit mass and placed a unit distance apart, attract each other. SI unit of G. SI unit of G is Newton meter square by kilogram square or Newton meter square into kilogram square inverse. The gravitational field. The space around the attracting particle in which the gravitational force of that particle can be experienced is called gravitational field of that particle. Gravitational field strength. The force experienced by a unit mass placed at a point in a gravitational field is called gravitational field strength or intensity of gravitational field at that point. Gravitational potential. The work done in bringing a unit mass from infinity to a point in the gravitational field is called gravitational potential. Let's consider W joule is the work done obtained in bringing a body of mass m from infinity to a point in the gravitational field. Then the gravitational potential at the point is given by V is equal to W by m. The gravitational potential is always negative, and gravitational potential is a scalar quantity, and the dimensions of the gravitational potential is L power 2 into T power 2 inverse. Thank you.